Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For this makeup look, we focus on a nice clean and glowy base. So I apply a glow base first. For foundation, I'm using a cushion because it gives off a more natural finish. You can use concealer as well if you need it or want it. Then I give my face a little contour, but try to keep it very simple, so mostly only jawline, nose and lips, just to give the face a little dimension back. Then we apply some translucent powder to the areas where pores are a little more visible. In my case, that would be the inner parts of my cheeks, nose, middle of my forehead and chin. That way the pores get blurred out and your face seems more flawless and even. For brows, I'm only using an eyebrow gel to keep it pretty natural and clean. The makeup should be looking very natural and soft in the end. Moving on to the eye makeup, I decided to use a warm brown eyeshadow. You only need a little bit. Warm colors are more appealing and friendly than cool ones. Then I apply a gold sparkle shade on the middle of the eyes, just to make the eyes pop a little more. Then I create a small wing with a dark brown eyeshadow. It gives the eyes a soft appearance. Then I go over it with a penliner to intensify it a little bit, but you don't have to. After, I curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I use a liquid blush for this look because it looks more natural and you have a really nice dewy effect in the end as well. I also apply some blush on my nose to make it look like the sun just kissed my face. I finished the face makeup with a little highlighter, but you don't have to. As for the lips, I recommend a tint or a lip gloss. I use a red toned tint with a lip gloss on top, but any color would do. And that's for today's makeup. I really love how fresh and natural this makeup looks, and I love how glowy and clean the base of the skin looks even with makeup on.